Now, once your domain is ready for testing, you simply receive an email with a direct link to your domain name. So you don't need to go ahead and type it again and again. If I click on this here, so it will take me to the salesforce.com, but this time I will not be logging in by using login.salesforce.com. I have that same username and password, but the domain name will be mine own one. So if I type in my password, and if I click on login, I might have misspelled. Okay. So now I have used the same password and I have signed in through my new domain name. If you look at the URL, you will see now it's no more login.salesforce.com or developer.salesforce.com. So first thing that we have set up a custom domain. I already told you why we need to set up a custom domain, because Salesforce recommends it for better usage, better control, and better security. Now, why Lightning? Because this course is about Lightning framework. So first of all, that this Lightning component framework will provide you lots of features, out of box component which will be pre-built for you, so that you can use those custom component and combine them together to come up with an application. For example, let's say we take example of uh, um, uh, any real world example like an automobile. So if a company who's selling a car or a truck or a scooter, that company might not be creating that complete car by itself. They might be getting the parts designed by various vendors and then combining them, so that that same engine can be used in different versions of the car with some modifications and all. So we get out of box component which we can modify and reuse again and again. Now, second thing is that Lightning component is an event-driven architecture. Let's say event driven. Okay, so what event driven means is that if you know a little bit of JavaScript, you know that based on some event, on mouse click, on mouse over, you can call some functions so it gives us a lot of powers that on the click of the mouse of a user we can call a function and ask our component, our application to do something. So the browser keeps record of these user events, okay, the inputs from the user. So this event driven architecture gives us a lot of power. And then there is another aspect that this Lightning component has been so much optimized for enhanced performance. Okay, this Lightning component is built on Aura framework, and when we will be doing the coding in Lightning component, when we will be building our Lightning apps, we will be using this Aura keyword, which we will start seeing from the next video onwards. Okay, so what this Aura framework, why this Aura framework has been used? Because it helps you to build your Lightning apps independent of your Salesforce data. So while there is data present in Salesforce, your Lightning app building process does not conflict with that. So it gives you that authority, that independentness. Okay, so I hope you have successfully set up your custom domain, and I told you some of the basic advantages of using Lightning, what Lightning is, what does it offer, the out-of-box component and all. So once you are ready with your domain, log into your Salesforce org, because from next video we are going hands-on live. Everything will be step by step. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. All the best.